In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share ExpressVPN with family. ExpressVPN allows you to use your subscription across multiple household devices, and depending on your plan, you can have between 10 and 14 active connections at the same time. The safest approach is to share access without giving out your main account password. And in this guide, I'll walk you through the available ways to do that clearly and securely. If you're setting up ExpressVPN on a family member's laptop or desktop, the easiest method is to use the activation code. Start by opening a browser on your own computer and signing in to your ExpressVPN account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the section called Set Up Your Devices. In that area, you'll see your activation code. Copy it carefully. Next, have your family member download the official ExpressVPN app for their operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. After installation, they should open the app and choose the option to sign in with an activation code. Paste the code into the field and continue. This signs them in without exposing your billing details or account settings. For phones and tablets, using the QR code option is often even easier, especially if you're together in person. First, have your family member install the official ExpressVPN app from their device's app store. Then, on your own computer, sign in to your ExpressVPN dashboard and go to Set Up Other Devices, then Phone and Tablet. A QR code will appear on your screen. Now ask them to open the app on their phone, tap Sign In, and choose the QR code Sign In option. They can scan the code directly from your monitor. If their device asks for permission to set up a VPN connection, they should tap OK or Allow. After that, the app should open and be ready to use. If your family member is in another location, the passwordless sign-in link is a practical remote option. Have them install the official ExpressVPN app on their computer and open the sign-in screen. They should enter the account email address and select the option to receive a sign-in link by email. You'll receive the sign-in message in your own inbox. Forward that email to them, and when they open it and click the sign-in button, the app will authenticate them securely. If your household regularly hits the connection limit, router installation can solve that. Sign in to your account dashboard, go to Set Up Other Devices, choose Router, select your router model, and download the firmware. Then open your router's local admin page, find the firmware upgrade section, upload the file, and let the router install it.